on, everybody? Kylan Hayes here with Imperial Forex, Vault Forex, Outcome Reach Forex, getting y'all yet another video. Now, a question that I've seen a lot, or we've all seen a lot, is people asking about a trading plan. They always wonder, or you all always wonder, hey, I have a setup, I know exactly how to enter trades, I know where's my stop loss. I just struggle with, keeping a consistent plan. Now, a trading plan is not one size fits all. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the plan that I use. Please don't fast forward. This is important. I know I'm just rambling, but I'm going to share with you all the process that I use. But realize that everybody's process is different. No two trading plans are exactly the same because mine is formulated for my specific needs. I'm a college student, therefore I can't scalp, stuff like that. Now, how do you find your trading plan? There are several rules. Number one, write these down. First rule, it needs to be ultra specific. In your trading plan, there is no room for ambiguity. There can be no, maybe do this. I'm talking about your trading plan should not say, look for a stop loss. Your trading plan should say, set a stop loss here. No ambiguity. Number two, it needs to be step by step. Don't miss out anything. You need to have it step by step. The entire purpose of this is that you cannot skim over things, try to force trade. The entire purpose of that is going to be so specific that you are going to be forced to take a trade if it follows all your rules. If it doesn't follow the rules, you're not going to take it. It's just got to be specific, step by step, and most importantly, it has to be formulated for you. What does that mean? For me in particular, I'm not trading London session. I'm also not trading Asian range because I don't know about y'all, but I like to sleep. That's just me though. Two things I'm not going to do. I'm also not going to be scalping because I'm a college student. But I will show y'all what my trading plan does look like. As I'm going through this, take note of how step by step and how specific it is. So this is NJ. Those of y'all who've been on my videos before, those of y'all who have been on my one-on-ones before, y'all know y'all are tired of seeing NJ, but I mean, yeah, another pretty clean example. So let's begin. The first thing that I do in my trading plan is I go to the higher time frame. Higher time frame, remember specifics. Higher time frame meaning 4 hour and above. That's number one. Go to a higher time frame meaning 4 hour and above. On this higher time frame, look for your key level. If you do not know what key levels is, stop this video, go back to my key level video. It's on the same Outcome Reach channel. It's called Key Levels. It's got my picture on it. You'll see me. First thing I do, number one, go to a higher time frame meaning 4 hour above. Then mark the key level. I'm on the higher time frame. Here's key level right here. Go back and find the video if you all don't know what key level is. That's number one. Number two, and actually you can also draw more mini key levels if you'd like to do that as well. Number two, well, for the sake of it, we're not gonna do that. Number two, find out what your directional bias is. This is very specific. I know it's like, this is something you should do anyway. No, write it down. Even if it's something seemingly trivial, write it down. My directional bias is up, bullish. Why? Because you see resistance being broken, turn to support. If you want to look at it using a trend line, go ahead. How I look at directional bias, resistance, broken to turn to support, is an uptrend. Support and broken to turn to resistance, it's in a downtrend. So this is an uptrend. All right, number one, I'll repeat it. Number one, higher time frame, far and above, find key level. Number two, find the key level. Number three, directional bias. We just did that. Number four, anticipate where price is going to go, meaning mark your take profit. Where I mark my take profit, my bold for the trading plan is number four, find take profit, sublettering underneath it. Where do I put my take profit? Either liquidity, another entry, or the higher high. For me, I'm going to do it at liquidity. Now, I'm really like, Kylan, you said specific. That's not specific. Three choices. Three choices. Right here. It's liquidity. And actually, it's also a key level. So you see resistance or support and resistance right there. That's where I'm anticipating my take profit. Notice how I've anticipated a take profit before I've anticipated an entry. That's something y'all need to be getting in your head. I can't stand it when people send me charts. I'm like, where's your take profit? They're like, I don't know yet. No. You need to know where price is going before you enter. Otherwise, you're gambling. Next thing I do is I go through and I find my entry. Now, if you know about key levels, you know that we're not going to enter on the key level. We enter below it. AKA, if you enter at this outcome candle right here, if you're buying right here, you're wrong. If you don't know why, go back to the key level video, because we know that if you're not waiting for the key level to be broken, you're buying with retail. So where are my entries? If we're buying below the key level, if we're selling above the key level, that's in my trading plan. If I'm buying below the key level, if I'm selling above the key level. Now these entries can be any of the entries Outcome Rich teaches. And I have them all written down. It can be an outcome candle, an order block, accumulation on the lower time frame, distribution on the lower time frame, reaccum, redistro, and efficiency, any of that. If I come right here, I see an order block right here. If you don't know what order block is, go back and watch previous videos. All right, next step, set your stop loss accordingly. What does that mean? Based off of everything teaches Outcome Reach. Stop loss to the bottom. Now, rules for in my trading plan about during the trade. My rules are pretty simple for the trade. It either hits take profit or it hits stop loss. You're not going to see me cut profits because, oh man, I just need this money, I want to take it out. No, take profit, stop loss. Now, I do have the rule that when price goes up or down, if I'm buying or selling, 40 pips, I will move my stop loss to break even. Every 40 pips it goes up, I'm moving the stop loss up by 10 pips. That's just something specific. But like I said, these rules are going to be for you. Notice how I don't use agent range. I don't use London session. Are those very valid plays? Why I use them? Dylan uses them. I don't use them because that's not my trading style. So what happened? Easy. What was the risk? Risk of 10 pips. Price went up 129 pips. That's my trading plan, y'all. When you develop your trading plan, it's going to be that specific. For some of you all, it's not going to be that easy because some of you all like to scalp, some of you all like the 15-minute time frame. Therefore, you're going to have to adjust your trading plan accordingly to that. Some of y'all have to work most days in a week. Some of y'all can only trade one day a week. You're going to have to adjust that specifically to you. This is my trading plan. You all are not going to be able to use that. But the key to figuring out what works best for you individually, you got to take time and back test. And I know that I say this every single video. You've got to take time out of your day. 30 minutes a day is all I need. 30 minutes a day is all I need from y'all. I know some people on Instagram gurus will tell you all, yeah, you know, I used to back test 3 hours a day. I sit on a room all day for months till I got it down pat. Please don't do that. I'm not trying to burn y'all out. I'm trying to get y'all to develop a skill that will help y'all for the rest of your life. 30 minutes a day is all you need. I don't want you to burn out. So 30 minutes a day, back test. As you back test, you will learn what works best for you. You will learn that you don't prefer the London range. You prefer that you don't London session. You prefer that you don't prefer the Asian range. You will find out that you prefer the lower time frame. Once you find this stuff out, adjust that trading plan to you. And when you have the trading plan, stick to it. Write this down. Stick to your trading plan. Do not deviate from it. Don't start adding stuff. Well, you can add stuff as you learn more, but don't just start, you know, saying, oh, well, this trade kind of looks like it. No. The whole purpose is that you're going to be like a machine because your emotions are not going to be involved in this. You're just following your trading plan. And the best trading plan is going to be 70% effective. Really, you can do it with 60%. How do you know if it's effective? Back test it. The end. But I hope y'all found this video, you know, valuable. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Put your comments down there. If y'all need help, I'm pretty good at responding fairly quickly. Yeah, I hope y'all found this valuable, and I'll see you all next time.